In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs one long page, also known as making it pageless. This feature is fantastic for those who prefer a continuous flow of content without the interruption of page breaks. So, let's dive right in and make your document writing process even smoother. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you commonly use. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to google.com. This is your starting point for accessing all Google services. Now, in the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the Sign In button. Click it to enter your Google account. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. But for those who aren't, go ahead and type in your email address. After that's done, click Next. The page will prompt you to enter your password, which you'll type in next. Once you've typed in your password, go ahead and click Next again, and you'll be signed into your Google account. With that completed, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Google homepage. There, you'll notice a small grid icon resembling a box made up of tiny squares. Click this icon, which will open up a menu of Google Apps. Among these, find and click on Google Docs. This action takes you to the Google Docs homepage, where all your recent documents are displayed, or where you can start a new one. Choose the document you want to make pageless. If you don't have a document yet, feel free to create a new one by clicking on the plus sign. Once inside your selected document, locate the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now move your cursor down and click on Page Setup. This step is crucial as it will take you to the settings needed to alter your document format. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll see options for both pages and a pageless layout. For our purpose today, you're going to select Pageless. This option allows you to scroll through your document without the stops and starts of having pages. After selecting Pageless, take a moment to breathe easy, knowing your content will now flow seamlessly from top to bottom. To conclude the process, click OK within the Page Setup dialog. Your document will now transform into one continuous page. And just like that, you've learned how to make your Google Doc pageless. This simple tweak can really enhance the way you view and interact with your documents, removing unnecessary boundaries. Thanks for watching, and feel free to experiment with this feature to see how it best suits your needs.